how to fix too many avatars in VRchat. Now, if you're encountering this specific error in VRchat, typically showing as a loading bar message along with avatars appearing as blue diamonds. Here's how to resolve it and pretty much optimize your experience if you're having this specific problem. So, this is caused by memory limits, especially on the Quest 2 with limited RAM. Too many avatars or high memory avatars can cause your system to run out of available memory, leading to this specific error. So, even on your PC, loading many unoptimized avatars can cause VRAM or CPU overload, resulting in freezes or the too many avatars fallbacks. So the first thing you can go ahead and do is to adjust your avatar culling settings. So to do this, so you can go ahead into your settings and make sure to set some sort of way to have a lower amount of avatars. So over here in your settings, you can go ahead directly to either your shield levels where you can decrease the avatars that you currently have in game, or you can go to the avatar section where you can look at the avatar optimization. So you can block poorly optimized avatars. If so, this could potentially help since it will decrease the VRAM problem, and you can decrease the download size and the maximum uncompressed size. But what's more important is the avatar calling over here. You can go ahead and put this out to allow override with show avatar, or you can go ahead and hide avatars beyond this specific distance so that the avatars that doesn't even need to be seen will no longer be shown, potentially fixing this problem. You can also decrease the maximum shown avatars so that you could pretty much fix how many avatars that is currently in your screen, so the lower the higher potential chance for you to fix this error. So all you have to do is pretty much decrease that to a certain number that will fit with your game. You can also go ahead directly to the settings where you can update your graphics to something more efficient. You can go to the set anti-aliasing to double. You can put that on off. You can lower your shadow qualities, your particle physics, particle limiters, pixel light counts. This pretty much helps free up GPU or VRAM and CPU resources. You can also clear VRchat cache or switch worlds. So clearing the app's cache can resolve stuck or corrupted avatar data, and you can also try switching quickly between two empty worlds that can flush loaded avatars and free your memory. Also, directly in social, you can lower your voice distance in the social settings or avoid sitting in places where dozens of people speak at once. But those are 5 methods you can potentially do to help with this problem. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.